Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to solve the non-saving project issue in DaVinci Resolve. If you've been experiencing problems where your projects aren't being saved properly, this quick fix will help you resolve that issue and ensure your work is safely stored. First, open your DaVinci Resolve application and let it fully load. Once you're in the main interface, direct your attention to the very top of the screen where you'll see the menu bar. Click on DaVinci Resolve in the menu, and from the drop-down that appears, click on Preferences. This will open up the comprehensive settings panel where you can adjust various aspects of how the software operates. In the Preferences window, you'll notice two main tabs at the top. Click on User to access the user-specific settings. These are the configurations that apply to your individual workflow and how the program behaves for you specifically, rather than system-wide settings. Now look to the left side of the Preferences window where you'll see a list of different categories. Scroll through this list until you find Project Save and Load, then click on it. This section controls all the settings related to how DaVinci Resolve handles saving and loading your project files, which is exactly what we need to adjust to fix the saving issue. Within the Project Save and Load settings, you'll see an option called Live Save. This feature is designed to automatically save your project as you work, but sometimes it can cause conflicts that prevent proper saving. Go ahead and uncheck the Live Save option to disable it. Once you've unchecked it, click the Save button at the bottom of the Preferences window to apply these changes. The Preferences window will close and you'll be back at your main workspace. Now that you've adjusted the save settings, you need to manually save your project. Head back up to the top menu bar and click on File. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Save Project. This will manually save your current project with the new settings applied, ensuring that all your work is properly stored. And that's it. You've successfully resolved the non-saving project issue in DaVinci Resolve by disabling the Live Save feature and manually saving your project. Your projects should now save correctly without any issues. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.